In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Canva. By the end, you'll be comfortably adding and styling text so your design looks clean, readable, and on brand. Start by opening the project you want to work on. This could be anything: an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. Once your project is open, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar. Click on Text. This opens Canva's text tools and presets. At the top of that panel, click Add a Text Box. The moment you do, a new text box appears on your canvas, and you'll see a blinking cursor inside it, which means it's ready to type. Go ahead and type your text. If the text box isn't active, just click it once to place your cursor. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always tweak the words or formatting as you go. The goal is to get your content onto the canvas first, then refine the look. Now, let's style it. With the text selected, look to the top toolbar. You'll see the font name drop-down. Click it to browse fonts and pick one that matches the tone of your project. Clean for professional, playful for casual, bold for impact. As you switch fonts, keep an eye on readability. If your background is busy, a simpler font usually works best. Right next to the font name, adjust the font size. You can choose a preset size from the menu or type in a number for precise control. Larger sizes are great for short, punchy lines. If your sentence is longer, try a moderate size to keep it neat and balanced within your layout. You can also add effects. With the text still selected, click Effects in the top toolbar. Explore simple options like shadow for depth or outline for contrast. Subtlety is your friend here. Small adjustments often look more polished than heavy ones. If an effect makes your text harder to read, dial it back or switch to a lighter touch. As you work, glance at your design as a whole. Aim for contrast between the text and background so everything remains legible. Canva auto-saves your changes, so you can experiment without stress. If something doesn't look right, use Undo to step back and keep refining. And that's it. Open your project, click Text on the left, add a text box, type your content, then adjust the font, size, and effects to match your style. With these basics, you can quickly bring clear, professional text into any Canva design.